I feel there's more to it than just sitting and watching.
Hey, we're going to dismiss in just a moment, but before we do, I'd be remiss if I didn't give you an invitation. I came for you. Have a sin proprietary payment.
Ah, di ba? Oh. Ang hila. Kompleto. Oh. 4x4. That's it. Katapos lang magsimba. Okay, punta muna tayo sa Walmart. Bili tayo ng Jello sa Walmart. Buy tayo ng Gatorade tsaka Jello. Preparation sa ating colonoscopy. Kaya colonoscopy tayo bukas ng 12 Monday. So pwede lang sa akin ay Gatorade, at Jello.
Tanggalin mo na lang ng bread.
Okay, ano tayo ng broth, beef broth or chicken broth, anything broth. Okay, tara, let's. Hey. Walmart. Oh, wala. Yun pa. 1, 2. Tara sa Edward Cinema. Manonood tayo ng Avatar. Ayan, manonood tayo ng Avatar. Anong oras? Oh, yun. Meron 12:35 to 2:05. Sa 3D. The Creed. Kailan nga yata? March 3, 2023. Come on. From the past. Michael Jordan. Yung 3D Avatar. Let's go.
Welcome, movie fans. I am Perry.
Yung aking pang 3D. Mamaya buksan natin. Maganda Avatar Part 2. Nice. Balik na natin tong ating 3D glass. Muna ako. Nice. Avatar Part 2. Maganda yung Part 2 ng Avatar. Gusto nang kumain.
Colonoscopy?
First time.
No, when is it?
On the 19th?
The 19th? Okay.
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
Okay, so you want to prepare this on the 18th? So fill out to this line with drinking water. You can also add this, it'll help with the flavor. So at 6 p.m. on the 18th.
With regular water.
Yeah, regular water.
Up to this one?
Yeah. And then, so starting at 6 p.m. on the 18th, which is the day before your appointment, you're going to start drinking 1 cup every 15 minutes.
So 18, on the 18th. So what time again?
At 6 p.m.
6 p.m.
Drink 1 cup every 15 minutes.
Every 15 minutes.
Yeah.
With this mixed lemon.
Yeah.
Wow.
And then
That's a lot.
Yeah. And then you're gonna drink 3 liters, like about this much, on the 18th. And then you're gonna drink the last liter on the 19th, the day of your appointment, 4 hours before.
Okay, my appointment is 12, so I need to finish it around 8.
You need to start drinking it at 8.
Start drinking.
Yeah.
Because my time is 12.
Yeah.
Right.
And then we have gas relief tablets. So you're gonna take these on the day of your appointment. So when you first start drinking, this one on the day of your appointment, you'll take two tablets. first start drinking your last liter,
The last liter, okay.
you take 2 tablets.
2 tablets, okay.
And then when you're done with the entire solution, you'll take 2 more.
2 more. So total of 4.
Total of 4, yeah.
Right.
And they're chewable, the tablets.
Okay.
And then,
Namin natin. Yeah.
Nakita mo ba yung table dito sa labas?
No. Can we like see? So ito i-mix natin yung lemon. Ito inamin natin yung
Yung table natin at saka yung isang chair.
wala.
So may kumuha.
Ito ilagyan natin. Punuin natin to. So it's line na yan. Okay. Punuin natin.
I'm not gonna qualify. There is no such thing.
Unang tagay. Light para sa colonoscopy bukas.
1 new notification.
Gutom na ako. Okay. Naubos na yung ganito kalaki. Hindi ko na rin nakain yung jello. So ito 2 tablets before yung last 1 liter. Tapos yung pag naubos ko isang baso na yan, last na ano, 2 tablet pa. Tapos ang schedule natin is 12:55. So meron akong 4 hours para maubos yung isang yung natitira. Yan, ubos na. Laking pa na to para matapos na. That's it.
Hindi, mabait ako. Kaya
Light. Ito yung baon natin after colonoscopy. Hotdog, itlog, tsaka ito tayo ng chicken. Yan, baon natin after colonoscopy. Chicken, hotdog, dalawang itlog. Okay, tara na at tayo ay magpapa-colonoscopy. Ang ano natin appointment 12:55. So, gutom na. Punta tayo. Ano tayo? Second floor tayo. So, second floor. 2 to 3 hours ang waiting. Ay, ang process daw. Ayan. Gutom na ako. Hubad. So good. Medyo groggy.
All the rooms are assigned. As soon as the comes down,
So ang time doon ay
No, 12 midnight for you.
tapos ako ng 2:30.
Good afternoon. This is Elena from KAKA Procedure Center. Can I please speak to Maria?
Ay, daw ako ng konti.
So today, and no biopsies were done, no polyps were seen. Okay, everything that I'm discussing with you is already written. Today you resume all medications that you normally take. We'll see you back in 10 years.
Gutom na. Okay, finally done. natutulog ako.
Do you have all good copies over there?
Yeah, but no, but sometimes when you know you, know what I'm saying, when they know you that you're good.
You are good too. I can give my advice to you.
They can mess you up.
I
know
work
who's the
with
bad
you.
doctor.
I know. No. I mean, they trust me. I say, I know the boy.
Like try to
And then,
If you're full-time or part-time, you have to take calls.
what do you mean?
But then it's not stress.
Calls like
Calls is like, okay, so we have two calls. First call and second call. Second call is up to 8 p.m. Like, say, all day. Up to 8 p.m.
Oh, if you're on call, how many nurses there?
ayun, ilong nga ako pero tandaan lang. Guys. Okay guys, finally, thank you Lord. Tapos ng ating procedure ng colonoscopy.
Ayoko naman dyan, mag-ano pala.
Dalawa pa yung nurse ko na babae, puti. Parang nadodrohan ko pa yun. Ay, mga glass ko nga.
Ha?
Ay, yung groggy nga ako ah. Bato. So, thank you Lord. Tapos ang ating colonoscopy. Medyo nakatulog pala ako doon habang ginagawa yung procedure. Meron nangihina ako. So everything okay. So see you in 10 years. Sabi ng doctor, see you in 10 years. So pumunta tayo sa American Ranch. Magpapaluto ako ng tuna. Maroon. Pag nagpa-IF yung IFOBT, yung occult blood.
Sabi sa akin ni Doktor, hindi
Depende
mo
pa rin.
nakita
Pero kung mas accurate naman ito, di ba?
Hindi kasi siguro, sabi nito 95%
Bakit si
din
Milet
daw yun
hindi
eh.
daw yata ganun si Ched?
Daddy, yung ka para yung bibig mo.
Bakit?
Yung bibig mo para kayo nabubulol.
Oh, may tama pa eh. Okay. Kilala mo pala yung si Rico, hindi mo kilala?
Uy,
Sinong Eric?
yung taga-West.
Oo.
Sabi ko, ito ka pala. Kailang taon ka na? 5 years na daw siya.
Para pa rin ako lumilipad. Okay lang. Bakit si Kiana?
Hindi, baka pagkain niya pang-apat na wering-wering na yun.
Oo, ipakainin mo siya ng... Paihaw na ako pa nga. Yeah. Paihaw tayo ng panga. Jubo. Paprito daw tayo ng daing ng bangus. Pahabol daing na bangus. Kaya paprito ako isa. Isa lang? Prito?
Yeah, he's the one who's gonna grill. Okay, George, it's gonna be.
Pinakamalaki na. Isa lang pa yan.
Isa lang.
Oo.
Ikaw ang mag-grill.
Ako'y gutom na gutom na gutom na gutom na. Din tayo.
Green tea. Yun nandun o.
Repolyo.
Tayo ng $156. Nakalak pala to. Nakalak ba yung macaron mo? French macarons. French macarons. Okay, macarons. Ito, tikman to. Yung kapitbahay. Bigyan natin yung kapitbahay yung nagpairam ng trash can. Hey! Hi there!
Roy, I'm sorry.
Thank you for that trash a while ago.
Okay,
This for
cool,
you guys.
thank you. Oh
Merry
my
Christmas.
gosh, thank you. You didn't have to.
Hey,
Thank
it's
you
okay.
so much.
Bye
Roy.
bye. Take care.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bigo! I put it there.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Diyan po nag-i-end ang ating colonoscopy adventure ni Kailoco. Everything is clear, okay, mabuhay. Tayo na kumain ng inihaw na tuna, panga. Let's go, let's go. Everything good. Iloco Pinoy, Batang Elio. Ating tuna collar. Ayan, dalawa. Tapos isda na fish. Isda na fish pa. Usawa ni kalamansi. Okay.